So if you're trying to upload your video on YouTube and then it got stuck the particular percent and it's not loading anymore, as you can see, this is stuck. It's not loading. The internet is connected, but it's not loading. This is what you should do. So just go to the create option, then select the upload video. Okay, so you click the button and search for the exact file you were uploading. So this is not the exact file I was uploading. This is one of the copies. So I search for the exact file I was uploading, then click on it and let it upload. So you would see that after a few minutes, it's going to resume the upload. So you have a 24 hours window to do this. So if it's still not uploading, verify your video file size and format. Confirm that the video is a supported format and does not exceed YouTube's upload size limit. Then clear your cache and cookies. Then you can attempt using a different browser or a different device. Sometimes YouTube server is down, so it will be reported. So note that the video quality and upload duration can also affect how long your video takes to upload. So if it's a 4K video, it will take way longer than a 1080p video. So you should expect it to take longer. But then if it's not moving at all, irrespective of the resolution, it's either your internet speed is too low or there's something wrong with probably the codec, the bitrate of that video. So you want to re-render it to a more acceptable format. So let me know if this helped in the comment section.